rapper, Mr. Leonard White. Real Godfather, so please subscribe. As me watch a video, me have to do it every time. Share with my friends, comment, like. Rapper, the struggle is at...
What's up, my beautiful people? What's up, boy people? Me I tell you, say, it seems like, say, yo, them are overworked, the Squaddie them. And me I tell you, yo, it's not a good look, you know. But here I go on, because watch the clip and then we can talk a little bit after. Them are overworked, the Squaddie them.
Push up in the mouth, right?
Man, look at your man runs in a zigzag.
Man, don't make you want to wake up. I am tell me the police have to do exams to get promotion and hard.
People, you might see me and laugh, but it's not a laughing matter. You understand? One good thing you can say is not the driver, so him partner, the nearby. You understand? But overall, it seems like them man overwork the Squaddie, the man. Squaddie, you see, even though the driver might be the near, you see, sometimes if you don't feel like you're not tired, and I want to take a 5 minute, make sure say the window them wind up and the car lock properly. Cause you know Jamaica stay at this moment. You understand? A man cannot pass and feel like say boy him have, you know, see the driver the next Squaddie and take out the driver and take out the officer gun. All political things can happen. So just make sure say it's safe for phone apart one time when I take a 5 minutes. Cause everybody a human being. Sometimes you drop asleep and you don't even know, so you drop asleep to watch it not paper. Sometimes you just sit down and relax, and by the time you couldn't awake, somebody will wake you up. Tired! Drop asleep! But try to make sure, say, when you drop asleep, you're secure. Because your partner can turn him back with 2 minutes, and that 2 minutes when turn him back, and then come pour pass with evening and strap and pop off and come pop off your one and start squeeze, because you know the thing said. The struggle is real. My beautiful people, let me know what you guys think about this clip. And also, big up It's a Blast. Credit goes out to It's a Blast. You don't know you can find him on Instagram and turn up the thing loud.
Hello, male species. You know, we as men, we take pride in our sexual abilities and often please a woman. But from lately, no matter where you are, just not and panny long. No matter how you put sauce up in your back pan the girl in chuck your still trap. Know yourself. Lion pa bedroom tonic is here to save it up. Me tell you now. We talk about prolonged erections, so you can last longer pan it. Delay ejaculation, we are talk about boost testosterone and everything there now. And guess what though? It increases sperm count, you know. But you know, daddy, now make being lame in the bedroom become a habit. Walk with a lion pa bedroom tonic.
Contact the number. Grab a buckle of lion paw bedroom tonic in the bedroom. And the woman fi panic. It's all natural herbs. Fix up your nerves.
Oh, that's why you get so bad from where they are.
Yeah, baby.